Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Programming with VJ. In this video we are going to see how to bend a line renderer. We can use mouse position as endpoint, line will move and bend according to that. We will get output as shown in the video to the right. Hope you all guys subscribe the channel. If not, please click on the subscribe button. Create a game object with sprite renderer component, and name it as P1. Create another empty game object and name it as P2. Create a game object with line renderer component. Add a circle collider 2D to P1 game object. Now create a C# script, and give the class name as per your wish. I am giving class name as curveLine. We are going to bend the line between 2 points. This can be achieved by adding more point between start point and end point. Likewise, in the screen, but we will get smooth curve. Okay, now we can give material to the line renderer. Create an empty material. Change the material type from standard to sprite default. Now assign the material to the line renderer. Drag and drop the rope sprite to the material. Open the script in Visual Studio. Actually, what we are going to do is bending the line between 2 points. Midpoint will be point 2. Point 2 will determine how much bend it should be. In our case, point 1 will be transform.position. Point 2 will be the transform variable. Point 3 will be the end position, that is mouse position. We will have a fixed amount of points to add in the line renderer positions. For that we can have one variable vertex count. Third one is bend strength, this one we will use in the last, I will tell you why it is used in the last. Create a onMouse drag method, while dragging we can bend the line according to mouse position. Create a vector 3 list and initialize it. In this list we will add points according to the vertex count we give. For example, if we give vertex count as 12, it will create 12 points to form curve. Get the mouse position in world coordinates. Loop the float value in the for loop. This is like Bezier curve. Increasing the time gradually between 3 vectors to get curve. First we are looping point 1 and point 2 in I time. Then we are looping point 2 and point 3 in I time. Point 1 will be our transform position and point 3 will be our mouse position. Then we will loop T1 and T2 in I time. Then we will add the T variable to the points list. This iteration will happen until the I reaches 1. So we will get 12 points. Now we have to set the position count to the total point count. Also add line renderer variable to the script, forgot to mention. Now we can add list of position in the line renderer position. But line renderer will get only array of values. So convert points list to array. Attach the script to P1 game object. Assign the P2 variable also in the script which we attached. Give vertex count to 12. Bend strength give to 1, we will use it later. Assign the line renderer component also in the script. Now click play. If you don't get bend, adjust the point 2, keep the point 2 little away from point 1. You can see the bend. Now point P2 is manually adjusted by us. Now we can calculate point 2 in code and give some bend strength. We can get the midpoint between point 1 and point 3. We can add X position and divide by 2. Y position and divide by 2. Assign the point 2 position to the calculated one. Now click play. You will not see the bend because we calculated the midpoint so it will be in straight line. We have to add some bend strength to get the bend. Switch back to Visual Studio. Now add bend strength variable to the Y position of midpoint, which we calculated. Switch back to Unity. Press play. If the bend value is 0, give as 1. You can see the bend. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video if you gained some knowledge. Please subscribe the channel. Have a great day.